Hello, hi, how are you doing? I'm going to do a quick demonstration of the TpLEARN app. I'm using a mobile phone because I know most of you will be using a mobile phone while using the TpLEARN app. So the first step to use the TpLEARN app is to log in. So I'm going to click on the menu right there and I'll click on login and register. There are multiple options to log in or create an account. If you already have a username and password, you just enter your username here and your password, and then you can log in. If you don't have a username and password and this is your first time, but you have a Google account, a Facebook account, a Microsoft account, or a LinkedIn account, you can also create an account using one of these 4 accounts that you already have. I already have an account with Google, and I have already created my account previously. So I'm just going to click on Google so I can log in with Google. I'm going to log in with my Prince of Wales account. So I'm going to click Prince of Wales here, and this will log me in automatically. So now I'm logged in. Once I'm logged in, I can click on the menu from the top right, and I can go to this link and then open up my dashboard. So from this dashboard, I can see my messages, I can look at my profile, I can check my settings, I can even look at my grades, right? And down below that, I can also see my my ladder board, basically how I'm doing against everybody else that I'm taking a class with. And below that, I can see my courses. These are the courses that I'm enrolled in already. I can see all of these courses down here, and I can click on any one of them. For example, social studies, I can click on it to open social studies. And while I'm in social studies, I have options to look at the library, for example, or I can chat with other users. I can look at announcement, and I can look at the wiki. But in social studies, like in any other subject that we have in TpLEARN, we have 5 different categories of practice exams, including the mock final. So we have the beginner exams. So in this case, I have about 11 beginner exams or quizzes. Then we have intermediate exams. In this case, I have about 11 intermediate exams. Professional exams. In this case, I have 11 professional exams, and a master exam. In this case, I have 5 master exams, and then I can open up mock final. I have 2 mock final. If I try to open up the mock final, this will open up for me, and I can see the 2 mock finals right here. Right below, I can see my completion status to see how I'm doing overall for this particular course, right? And then below that, I can also see if I've completed any activity, and it will also tell me if I have any badges or not. I can see all those information about this specific course in the system here. So now I'm going to enroll into one of the free courses that I don't have to pay for. So I'm going to look at MPSC, and under MPSC, I'm going to look here. All the courses in MPSC, I need to pay for them. So I'm going to change here, and I'm just going to click free exams. And from the free exams, I'm going to take MPSC free exams. And from here, I can see that this MPSC free exam have mathematics. It has English language. It has quantitative, it has quantitative verbal aptitude, and it has general paper. Now, I need to enroll myself to this course. So to do that, I will click on the options down here. And from this options menu, I will see enroll me in this course. I will click enroll. And now I am enrolled into this course. Not yet, actually, but I have the screen now to be enrolled, and I can click on enroll me right from here. Now I'm enrolled in the course. You can see you are enrolled in this course. And from here, I can then open up this mathematics, and I can try the mathematics for free. So this is math, beginner exams. So I can take the beginner exam quickly. And then I'll start. So the beginner exam here is not timed. So how many days are there in the month of September? So let's say 30 days. And then a ferry takes 55 minutes to cross the river. I'm just going to pick an answer at random here. I'm not trying to get it right. It's just for the video. Okay. And while I'm doing this, I can move here to question 7 right away. Okay. And also I can move to any question pretty much. I can move to question 20, for example. And when I click finish attempt, the system is going to tell me what questions I have already answered and which ones I have not answered. I can always go back to any one of the questions that I have not answered, and I can answer that question appropriately. Okay, and I can go next, or I can go back at any point in time. So I'm going to click finish for this demonstration just to show, and then I click submit all and then submit. In this practice exam, I got the first question correct, 30. This is the solution for that question. The second one, I did not get it right, but the solution is provided to me and the correct answer is provided. So all the questions are now being reviewed and I have the correct solution for each one of the questions in this quiz or in this practice exam. I can then go over this and practice and understand exactly which ones I got right or which ones I got wrong. And as you can see, the one with the green, I got that correct, and the ones with the red, I did not get those correct. And I can click finish review. So I'm done with this, but it says I failed. I received a grade, but I failed, so I have not actually completed this practice exam yet. I need to pass in order to complete this, right? So I can go back up here to my menu and I can click back here and I can go to grades, and this will always show me my grades. You can see MPSC free exam. If I open that up, I have a grade, and that grade is only for mathematics right now, right? So I can go back to my dashboard, and on my dashboard here, I can see that I have gotten some points, and it's just showing me my courses right here. I can also do messages. I can click here, and I can actually try to send a message to someone if I have someone in my contacts, but I don't have anyone, so I can search here. Let me see. I'm going to search for somebody else that's called Tamba, and I can find this person. Tamba here is online, and I can write a message and say hello, and I can send that message, and Tamba will get that message and can communicate with me. Also under settings, I can come under settings, and I have a couple of settings here. For example, preferences. I can check my preferences, and here are some preferences that I can check. I can also come under here and check general notification preferences, how I want to be notified, and that information is all here. Okay. And I can check my badges if I have any badges. At the moment, I don't have any badges, but I just check my badge preferences. They seem to be fine. And I'll go back to my navigation, and I'll go back to my dashboard. And from here, I can pick up another course. So I can come back to, let's say, agriculture here. And from agriculture, I can actually go back to beginner and say I want 20 that, and I can view that. So I'm done with this part of the demo. I'm going to log out of this account, and I'm going to log in with another account that I've done more in the system just to show you. So I'm going to log in with TpLEARN student. So this time I'm logging in with a username and a password. This is a student account that I already had in the past. So I'm logged in with this student account. And now I'm going to go to my profile with this student account. And if I go to grades, you will find out that this student have a lot of grades, right? If I open the MPSC free, this student has a lot of grades already. I had taken a lot of exams with this student. I can also go here on the navigation, and I can see a lot more information. But if I go back to my profile, I go back to my dashboard. With this student, you can see that here is the ladder board, and here is how I'm ranked. I'm right now at the bottom, but there are other people. There are lots of other people above me in the ladder. Okay. Also, as I scroll down, I can see all the courses that I've participated in. And here I can see my progress, right? How I'm doing in each one of the courses. And down here, I can also see the badges that I've earned. These are the badges that I've earned. So this is my badge. And I can actually download this badge. And I can open this badge at any point in time or share it with other people if I want to. So I go back. And I'll try to take a course like, let's say, mathematics. And as I scroll through, you can see here, this is mathematics. If I click on beginner, there are some beginner items here. Master, there are some master items. Professional, so let me open professional. And under professional, I'm going to look for some here. I'm going to pick 2021, for example. And then attempt that. And from here, you can see I'm timed. Now I need to answer this question, and then I have to tell if I'm sure or not. I say I'm quite sure, and I will check that answer, and right away it will show me the answer or the solution to the problem. This was wrong. I got this wrong. So the right answer is 4,000. So I'm going to go next. And then this one, let's see if I'm able to solve this. So let's say, I'll say this is my answer that I'm quite sure, and I'm going to check. And yes, that was my correct answer, and here's the solution. So the certainty base here, this is basically used to tell how confident I am while answering my questions. Okay, this I'm just going to guess. I'm not sure at all. So I need to make a choice here. This is guess. And indeed it was a guess. So I'm just going to finish this. And here it's the most important part of the result, accuracy. And then the bonus, I didn't get any bonus score, but my average score, CBT mark, accuracy right there, the CBM bonus, and then the accuracy plus bonus. But most important thing here is that I was a bit overconfident while answering my questions, this one, right? So I can also review all of my questions. And I can see all the solutions. Okay, so this is all I wanted to show you. This was a quick demo.